Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. From the highest to the lowest vibrations, realize the potency of the sacred formulas that you use. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. God accepts the pleasure and desire, but qualifies that with beliefs and contexts of action. Material has its value regardless of who transmits it. Actual religion is only the regulations of God. The true and eternal social order is not about exploitation, but about doing good to all. Suffering is not our natural position. Don't let politics distract you from its spiritual potential. We will share in the merit and demerit of our associations. Spiritual centers should be led by those advanced in devotional service over other qualifications. We shouldn't just allow marriage, but encourage it to give lawful contexts or outlets for desires for those who would otherwise indulge in it for itself. Try to accept only the invitations of those who have the behavior of a certain position in society. A sage or saintly person shouldn't be approached as just spending their time or having their company, but in doing service. Do the least effort to achieve the same. Our path is more than piety, but in a gratification of God. We are often given forgetfulness as a mercy. We all had a pre-existence. Sage or well-being is not by substance or knowledge alone, but by use and consciousness. This life is a result of many lives and is an opportunity to appreciate and not waste. The animal examples used to deride people can also be used in a different way to say what people should be or even better. A teacher should never concoct teachings. A Goswami is not born, but made by adopting self-control. Sensuality for itself becomes a hell. If we are friendly to and for God, God will bestow upon us the confidential understanding as a friend. Deveu vachana yasya loke stete siyanna preyas tatha preyo neha pratam preyatmanna tasmin sammastatmane mukta vairake rate bhavantam katama pratipayat. The blessed angel said that Lord Shiva is the most loved of those living, without rival. No one's dear to him in the sense that we consider dear, and no one is his enemy in the such that we have enemies. No one but you can be envious of such a universal being who is free from all enmity. So, freedom. Now, the most auspicious, the deity of death, as people would call it, can't that be the real, ultimate God? There's a lot of breaking up into different... Now, it's your choice what to believe, of course, but a lot of breaking up divinity into different entities, different personas being attributed to, different, forms being attributed thereunto, as in, like incarnation sort of thing, not God owns this form or whatever. It's like, this is the tree of God right beside me, and the other tree of God, and the other tree of God, and, that sort of thing. But Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent. God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attractive, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.